Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I am in my camper and I am sitting on these really great RV dinette cushion covers. These are from Dulepax. I was so happy to receive these because my cushions underneath this are peeling away and they looked really worn. So I wanted something that was going to be able to cover them, but then also look nice. These covers are the best for that. So this is in their camel color. They stretch over really well and they also tie to keep everything in place. They are a waffle knit pattern and the color matches perfectly inside my camper. It's a very light brown, so it'll go with everything. I'm really happy to be able to have a seamless look and not to have those worn cushions showing. It adds such a nice feel and style to our dinette now. And I'm not embarrassed anymore when people come in and they see my cushions that are just torn apart from use of our camper. Now it looks really nice. So if you're looking for something similar, I would highly recommend these. They're really good quality. They've held up nice, as you can see. And my favorite part is that I can take it off and wash them. And that's my point of view.